Everyone, welcome once again. This time I'm going to be looking at um, how to find the rise in temperature. I have a question. This question is telling us, and the question is said that a heater of resistance 7 ohms connected to 15 volts supply is fitted into a metal block supply heat to the block of mass 1.5 kilogram and a specific heat capacity of 460 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. So calculate the rise in temperature of the block after 10 minutes. So like we have already been doing, I will always, like I said earlier, make sure you visit the playlist of this very topic so that you'll be able to see some other similar calculations. So in that, like we have already been saying here, we have heat. Heat supply is equal to what? Heat gain by the block. So the first thing we're going to do here is to calculate the heat supply. The heat supply here is supplied is equal to, now we have the voltage, and then we have the resistance, which means you're going to use this formula times time. So our voltage is what? 15 squared, or perhaps 15 times what? Our time, which is times 60 all over resistance, which is 7. So in this case, by multiplying them, we'll have 19286 joule of energy. So then the same heat is the heat gained by the metal. So the heat gained by the metal, the one we are looking for, we have the mass. The mass of the metal is what? 1.5 times specific heat capacity. The specific capacity of the metal is what? Alright, you have it there. Heat capacity of this times what? The temperature rise, which we don't have. Since we are looking for the temperature rise, we multiply through. What we have there will be, if we multiply through, we have 690 joule 9 theta joule. That is the temperature we are looking for. So when we have all these things intact, since we have everything intact, so the next thing is that we know that 60 theta is equal to what? 19268. Now theta will then be equal to 19286 divided by, that will give us 2 degrees C. That is the rise in temperature. That's what we have here. So this is our final results, because heat gained by this one is equal to the heat. This is the heat gained. The other one we have there is the what? Heat supply is equal to this. Heat gain is equal to what? Heat supply. By so doing, you'll be able to get everything you need. So in the case of the temperature change, we divide by 690, dividing what we have in the heat gain supplied to get our answer. Thank you so much.